So you came to beg for him. Did he tell you how much he's owing me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please, sir. He said the money is 40,000 naira, sir.
Please, sir. If I have this money, I would have paid by now. I've been trying my best to gather this money, but no way out. So what are you now insinuating? I don't have the means to pay the money anymore. I want you to forfeit this money because of God. I'm having high blood pressure already because of this debt.
Please, sir, can't you see the way this man is sounding? Please forfeit this money for him. God will never make you have any setback. Please, let this man just have freedom. Forfeit your debt to us.
From today, you are not going to have high blood pressure because of my money. Please, we are human. We rise by lifting each other. I have forfeited the money for you.
Hey, thank you.
No.
Thank you.
Hey, we rise by lifting each other.
Sir, you are a nice man. You are a nice man. You see, God Almighty that created you and I will bless you plenty.
God bless your
heart. People like you, God can never kill people like you. Hey, my man. This man is a nice man. Let's go. Hey, God bless you. Hey, my man. Yeah, you're happy.
Officer, either this man gives me my money or you take him away.
Please, because of God, don't let him take my husband away. We have been going all around to see if we can pay this money. But up to now, we couldn't raise the money till now. Please.
If I have this money, I would have paid you before now. My child is at the hospital, sick and hungry. I only came home with my wife to pick few things.
What is happening here? What is going on?
Thank God, so you are here. This man, this is the young man owing me 20,000 naira that have been playing me all this while.
Oh, really? So, what do you want to do now?
I brought police for him.
Eh? You brought police for him?
Yes.
Ajama, you don't have common foresight. Can you see how quickly God has given you a taste of life? Ajama, are you not the same person someone else has forfeited 40,000 naira for last week? And you brought police for someone who is owing you 20,000 naira. Ajama, what you don't want others to do to you, do not do it to others. As it was difficult for you yesterday, don't you know it can be difficult for others tomorrow? Ajama, choose the best way to live your life.
Let's show love, let's show care, let's come together, make the world a better place. This is the only way that we can make it together. Choose a better ways to live your life.